In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix Instagram black screen on both devices, Android and iOS. So if you are using iPhone, follow the steps, and if you are using Android, I'm going to be showing you exactly in a few seconds. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. So if you are using iPhone, just go to settings and scroll down and click on general, and then click on iPhone storage. As you can see here, iPhone storage at the very bottom, you can see here iPhone storage. And after that, what you want to do, guys, you want to search for Instagram. Okay, here is Instagram. You want to click on Instagram and then click upload app, and then click again upload app, and wait a few seconds until it says the reinstall. Okay, you click on reinstall and wait a few seconds, and now turn off your phone and turn it on and see if the problem is fixed. If you are using Android, go to your Play Store. Okay, go to your Play Store and first remove the app from your phone. Just click on press and hold, and then after that you want to click on remove if you are using Android, and then go to your Play Store and search for Instagram and download it again, download Instagram again. Or otherwise, if it says their update, you don't need to delete the app. You can just click on update and the problem is going to be fixed. This is an easy fix on how you can fix a black screen issue that you have. So hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, please drop a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.